of Class 4th, we are here to perform a short skit on the topic Importance of Eating a Balanced Diet in a Daily Life. So are you all ready? Now let's see what happens in Radhika's house. Radhika, what do you come for lunch? Radhika, would you come for lunch? Yes, Mom. Can I what for lunch today? Today, I have prepared dal and rice. Mom, what is this? I don't like dal and puris for lunch. No, Radhika, you had take puri breakfast this morning and you not take our same kind of food throughout the day. Keep us strong and healthy. We should eat with different nutrients. Mom, what is this? I don't like I have a puris for lunch and dinner. Oh, how to convince you, Radhika? Mother keeps thinking if anyone could change her.
Wow, it's so tasty and yummy.
Yummy bunny.
So tasty and yummy. Hey, just see which plate you see. I have occupied a major portion in the diet. You know, I am so great as I am the king of the nutrients.
Oh, in what way you are great?
I provide a lot of energy to all the people to do the physical work.
Hey, I am also great. I am king of all nutrients as a help of growth, bodybuilding and repair of damaged tissue. Hey, do you know people have to eat food containing meat? Do you like it?
No, fatty food are not healthy.
No, not at all.
Hello guys, do you know, even though we are micronutrients, we have to keep our body healthy and fit. We play a vital role in keeping our body healthy and fit. Hey, do you know, minerals are not protective food. They help us